a guy named Gerard Way, it looks like, featuring Judith Hill. Here Comes the End. This is a rockin' little thing. This reminds me of some early Stones or something like that. I'm going to do it on electric. It's in the key of C. I'm going to break it down. It's got a verse and a chorus, and then it's got a middle eight that kind of goes to a whole different place. So the verse feel just goes from C back and forth from C to F, and it's kind of irreverent. You know, it's not an exactitude thing. It's one way to do it, to do this bar C here, and then slide up. Or you can start this C. So what I'm doing is just I'm going back and forth from C to F, C to F, C to F. Does that about 1,000,000 times in the verse, and the guy's wailing on the vocal, but the guitar stays tight. So it does that. We'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know how many times. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free, and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. And then eventually it gets to the chorus, and it goes D, D sharp, F, C. Okay, these are all bar chords. Does that D sharp, F, C, D sharp, F, C, D sharp, F, C. Then it finally goes to B flat, and then F. Okay. Back to the lick. So the thing about this, getting this one right, it's all about the attitude, right? You got to rock out it. You got to get a little bit aggressive with it. If you have shoes like this, it helps. Right? Put on your funkiest kicks and get after it. It'll put a little Keith Richards on it, you know. So what I do too, I'll show you a trick that I learned. And if you're comfortable with this, playing a C chord, what I'll sometimes do in a rock tune like this is I'll take the C chord and I'll lift my second finger up and I'll get it. Because when guys like Keith and whoever's playing this guitar, they get that. So you can have fun with it, whether you use this version, almost sounds like street fighting. You know, get funky with it and get after it. Okay, now I'm going to show you there's a weird middle eight that goes to a whole different set of chords. Okay, here's how the bridge goes. It goes to a G sharp. C, G sharp. G sharp. C, D sharp. Again. F minor to G. Okay? So the chords there are G sharp to F to C to D sharp or E flat. Okay? It does that over and over 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And the last one, it goes G sharp to F minor. And then it resolves to a G, a straight G chord. And it jumps right back into the. And that's how it goes out. So that's the song. It's Gerard Way is the guy's name. Here Comes the End. Another cheerful song. for the Guitar Mageddon days. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. I'd love to see you there, and we'll see you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!